Build an online business, live on a beach, sip margaritas, don't do any work because you have a $2 per hour virtual assistant doing everything for you. Work 4 hours a week, maybe less if you're lucky. Sound familiar? Tim Ferriss published the 4-Hour Workweek in 2007, right as the internet was starting to grow up a bit. Well, we didn't have social media yet, and the iPhone was in its first year of production. That's crazy to think about, considering the iPhone 15 came out last month. In fact, Barack Obama wasn't even president yet. That gives you some context of how long ago this was. That book has sold over 2 million copies, and this ruined a lot of people, giving them false hope and false dreams. In this video, I'm going to explain why. Why did this book ruin so many people? Because it basically told them they could not work hard, get rich, and basically cost their life. In a way, this book spawned much of what you see today. Everybody is selling a dream. You know what I'm talking about. Everybody is selling some way to get rich with internet money, and all of them have some sort of passive income element to it. Earn $10,000 per month dropshipping AliExpress products from China with my course. Start your own Facebook ads agency and make $5,000 a month with my coaching program. Get my guide on how to start your own Instagram and become an influencer, etc, etc, etc. The point is that you can't run a successful business by not working. It just doesn't work. Running a business, believe it or not, takes hard work and dedication. And at the end of the day, while you can pay someone $2 per hour to do VA work, when you pay someone $2 per hour, you get $2 per hour quality. That's simple. And much of the 4-hour workweek advocated hiring virtual assistants from countries like India or the Philippines. Paying them $2 per hour, then go to the beach and order your margarita. That's the life, isn't it? But as already proven, it doesn't really work. Instead, here's what you need to do. The first thing, you need to accept that making money online is going to take work. You're going to have to build systems. You're going to have to train somebody to run them. And if you don't provide guidance, do you expect the person you're paying $2 per hour to be able to do it? The second thing is you need to accept that we all have 24 hours in a day. How you use your hours is up to you. Some people use them well, others waste them. And the last thing, the most valuable thing your business has is your time. If you're spending it doing tasks that you dislike doing, you will lose energy, you will burn out, you'll come to hate work, and both you and your company will suffer. But the solution is not to hire $2 per hour VAs and try to work 4 hours a week. The solution is to hire quality, talented people to fill the roles that you don't want to do anymore while you focus on the things that give you energy. You just can't pay someone $2 per hour and expect them to do everything and figure out everything without giving them any instructions whatsoever. In fact, you can pay someone $200 per hour and you still probably won't succeed with this method. What if I told you there was a better way to do all of this though? That you could hire quality, talented people to fill any role in your business and get your time back. You can do this. In fact, I'm the perfect example of this. You are watching the Hire Your Way YouTube channel. Our founder and CEO, Kyle Mao, used to be the one making these videos. And while he still makes videos for the channel from time to time, myself and a few other presenters are the primarily people who make videos now. That means he got all the time back that he used to spend making videos. And while he may not live on the beach and doesn't work only 4 hours a week, he could if he wanted to. If being able to hire quality premium talent to fill a role in your business sounds appealing to you, then click the link in the description and book a call to chat with us here at Hire Your Way. To learn why you should hire from Eastern Europe instead of India, click on the link here and one of my colleagues will see you in the next video.